Sheep have accompanied humans for thousands of years. Their wool kept people warm since ancient times. Their meat and dairy products helped ensure survival. And their hides and fat found countless uses in daily life. Today, sheep farming is not only a tradition, but also a high-tech industry. Modern sheep farms have become vast complexes where age-old herding practices are combined with the most advanced technologies. But how exactly are such farms organized? How do farmers care for thousands of animals and transform their wool and meat into products in high demand? Let's take a look inside today's sheep farms. Life on a farm begins with lambs. Pregnant ewes are kept separately in spacious, clean pens with carefully regulated temperature and humidity. When lambing time comes, farm staff monitor the process around the clock. Newborn lambs immediately receive their first portion of colostrum, a vital source of immunity and health. On large farms, this process can be automated. Special systems precisely control feeding for the young. Just a few days later, lambs grow more independent and start nibbling on hay and feed. Modern sheep farms resemble enormous complexes with spacious barns and wide pastures. Inside, ventilation, automatic water supply, and feeding systems are maintained. In winter, sheep are kept indoors, while in summer, they spend most of their time in the open air. Each animal carries an electronic chip or ear tag that records data about its growth, health status, and origin. This allows farmers to keep accurate records and monitor the well-being of the entire flock. A sheep's diet is carefully designed. It includes grass, hay, grain mixtures, and vitamin supplements. On large farms, feeding is automated. Special dispensers evenly distribute food into the troughs. For dairy sheep, the diet is tailored to enhance the fat content and nutritional value of the milk. While for meat breeds, the focus is on weight gain. All of this turns modern sheep farming into a true science, where every detail matters. One of the most recognizable stages of sheep farming is shearing. In the past, it was a labor-intensive task requiring great skill. Today, modern clippers and even robotic systems are used on farms, allowing dozens of sheep to be sheared in just an hour. The shorn wool is immediately sorted by quality. Long fibers are destined for high-grade fabrics, while coarser wool is used for carpets or insulation materials. This way, nearly all of the raw material finds a use. Veterinary services play a crucial role on farms. Sheep undergo regular vaccinations and preventive checkups. Special attention is given to hoof care. Mobile handling pens are used to safely restrain the animals, while farmers or vets quickly and efficiently trim their hooves. Automated insecticide spraying systems are also in place to protect the sheep from parasites and pests. All these measures greatly improve animal welfare and reduce the risk of disease. Dairy sheep provide the raw material for products such as feta, roquefort, and yogurt. Modern farms employ automated milking machines that work gently, ensuring the animals experience no discomfort. Milk yield data is recorded in electronic systems, giving farmers a clear picture of each sheep's productivity. This not only makes the process more efficient, but also more transparent. Farmers can quickly detect signs of illness and adjust diets accordingly. An equally important part of sheep farming is meat production. Lamb is valued for its distinctive taste and nutrition. On modern farms, animals bred for meat are raised in conditions as close to natural as possible. This is important. Stress has a direct impact on meat quality. When sheep reach the required age and weight, they are moved to separate sections. Here, the fattening process is closely controlled. Grain mixtures are added to the diet to make the meat tender and juicy. After that, the animals are sent for processing. Slaughtering and processing of sheep takes place at specialized meat plants, often located right next to the farms. This reduces transportation time and lowers stress for the animals. Modern standards of humane treatment are applied at the plants. The process begins with slaughter, after which the carcass goes to butchering. Here, automated lines and skilled workers separate meat from bones and sort it by category. High-quality cuts go to restaurants and supermarkets, while others are processed into ground meat, sausages, or semi-finished products. Nothing goes to waste. Bones are used for broths and feed, and fat finds applications in industry. Wool collected after shearing also undergoes a long journey. At processing facilities, it is cleaned of debris and lanolin, washed in special drums, dried, and combed. Next comes sorting by fiber length and thickness. Fine merino wool is destined for high-quality fabrics and suits, while coarser fibers are used for carpets or industrial materials. Modern factories even use digital technology. Scanners assess wool parameters to determine its exact grade. Sheep farms focus not only on production, but also on improving breeds. Selective breeding produces animals with better wool, higher milk productivity, or faster weight gain. Methods include artificial insemination, genetic analysis, and even computer programs that predict the traits of future offspring. Thanks to these innovations, sheep farming is becoming a high-tech industry. Like any large industry, sheep farming raises environmental concerns. Modern farms are increasingly adopting sustainable practices. Manure is processed into fertilizer or biogas, solar panels are used, and water-saving systems are introduced. Special attention is given to pasture preservation. Improper use can quickly exhaust the land. That's why farmers rotate pastures. Flocks are moved from one area to another, giving the grass time to recover. Sheep products are in demand worldwide. Lamb is popular across the Middle East, Asia, and Europe. Sheep wool is exported to dozens of countries, where it is turned into fabrics, clothing, and accessories. Dairy products, cheeses, yogurts, butters, occupy a special niche in gastronomy. Some brands take pride in producing exclusively from sheep's milk, making their products unique. Global logistics ensures that products can travel from a farm to anywhere in the world, from small shops to major supermarkets. Despite automation, the human role remains crucial. Farmers and shepherds monitor the flock daily. Veterinarians ensure animal health, and technologists oversee product processing. Even the most advanced machines cannot replace human experience and attentiveness. Proper care of sheep determines everything, from wool quality to meat flavor. Sheep are not only a source of products, but also part of cultural heritage. In many countries, they hold a special place in traditions and festivals. In Australia, New Zealand, and Scotland, sheep farming is a vital part of national identity. For ordinary people too, sheep symbolize comfort, warmth, and home. Their wool becomes blankets and sweaters that keep millions of people warm around the world. Modern technologies open new horizons. Already today, farms are adopting artificial intelligence systems to analyze flock data, drones to monitor pastures, and robotic shepherds. In the future, sheep farming will become even more efficient and eco-friendly, while preserving its core essence, caring for animals and producing essential goods for humanity. Sheep farming is a bridge between past and future. From ancient shepherds to today's high-tech farms, the journey has been long. Yet the essence remains the same. Sheep continue to provide humans with everything they need: wool, meat, and milk. Sheep farms are a remarkable example of how tradition and innovation can go hand in hand. And perhaps in every strand of wool, or slice of cheese lies the story of thousands of years of partnership between humans and this extraordinary animal.